Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an old-fashioned American-style lemonade using fresh lemons and water. And this drink is so refreshing in this hot weather, you're gonna love it. So, let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'm using 5 large lemons. The first thing you want to do is to wash the lemons thoroughly under warm running water, and that'll get the oils from the lemon coming out. Then go ahead and peel the lemon skin off. So you want to use a potato peeler for this and try to get only the yellow part of the skin off. The white part right under the skin is bitter, so you want to avoid that as much as you can. Then you want to lay it out into a bowl with the yellow skin side up, because we're going to add some sugar on top of that, and we want the sugar to absorb the oils from the lemon skin. Pour 1 cup or 225 grams of granulated sugar over the lemon skins and just pour it on top and spread it. Don't mix it up together, otherwise the sugar will absorb the bitterness from the white bit under the skin. We're going to let this rest for an hour to an hour and a half. In the meantime, we're going to juice the lemons. So from the 5 lemons, I managed to squeeze out 400 ml or 1 2/3 cups of fresh lemon juice. You'll need 1.5 liters or about 6 cups of water in a heat-proof jug or bowl. Pour the water into a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Then pour the water over the sugar and lemon rinds and let it cool. If there's any extra water left, just go ahead and put it into a jug. Once the water's cooled completely, we're going to sieve the lemon rinds and the sugar into the jug along with the lemon juice. Then mix it together and taste it. That is really nice and lemony. Now, if you find it not sweet enough, you can go ahead and melt some sugar in some water and add it to this. Or you can add some more lemon juice if you don't think it's sour enough. But I think it's good. Now, I like a little bit of salt in my lemonade just because it cuts the sweetness of the lemonade. So I'm just going to add a tiny sprinkle of salt in here. And then mix that in. Then we're going to let this cool completely in the refrigerator, and then later on I'll serve it with a nice glass of ice. My tasters have arrived.
You feeling?
Yes, I am. How is it? Let me know, yeah?
Very nice. Quite strong.
I'm actually really thirsty.
Lemony. It's like properly lemony.
It is properly lemony.
Really refreshing.
Yeah, it's not super sour. It's lemony. It's nice.
That's because of the lemon zest.
Lemon
Yeah,
zest.
it's lemon
wow.
zesty. It's not like normal lemonade where it's just the juice.
Yeah.
It's got more of a...
It's not as sour.
It tastes
lemony.
more gourmet.
Yeah.
Does it really?
Yeah, I'd say.
Cha-ching! Did we knock it out of the park?
Yeah. It's really refreshing.
Oh,
Especially on a
Good
hot
sour.
day like this.
If you did soda water maybe as well, that would be quite nice. Make
oh my
fizzy.
god.
A little bit of mint in
It
there.
actually tastes like Italian lemonade. Yeah, if you put soda water in here, it would taste like Italian lemonade.
Sounds good.
That's good.
It's nice.
So there you have it. The verdict is in. They really like this lemonade because of the especially lemony flavor. I think it tastes really Italian when you put the sugar with the lemon zest, so definitely try it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.